On the road again, heading through, this time popping away from France into Spain, some lush countryside. We ended up in a little spot here, enjoyed this little piece of the Mediterranean.
That was sweet as molasses. Man, what really knocked me out was the cheap sunglasses.
So the journey continues right down into Marbella in Spain. Fantastic weather, 28 degrees, able to get the barbecue out, enjoy some really relaxed time for a few days before we start to think about heading back. We'll visit round friends who've stayed up in Mijas. We're going to use their pool in their hotel, which is awesome, and then go to their garden. Some of the things I'm going to talk about on this table in a later video. Unbelievable stuff. This next shot is one of the last shots of the tent on the left. Unfortunately, it didn't make it home from Spain. It finally had its last chips. I've had it for over 8 years, but it just didn't last the trip. Nice little shot from our friend's pool. They were in a hotel. And this is us continuing on.